Happy 4th of July, Cathedral City. I'm Chris Parman, your Communications and Events Manager. And last night I had the opportunity to go on a drive-along with Officer Jesse Vela of the Cathedral City Police Department as we were out looking for illegal fireworks. You might think capturing somebody that's shooting off illegal fireworks would be quite easy. You know, they go up in the air, they explode, you can kind of see the general location. But what we were finding that evening was people would shoot one up and then go inside or go into a backyard, and it was very difficult to find out exactly who it was that was shooting the fireworks off. So a lot of the night was seeing one, then seeing another one here off in another neighborhood, going over to that neighborhood as quickly as you could, but you weren't actually able to locate the person that was actually firing off the fireworks. So it was a much more difficult than I expected. I figured, most people would shoot a firework off, shoot another firework off, shoot another, and it'd be very easy to determine that. That wasn't the case. However, with some really great reconnaissance efforts done by Officer Vela, we were able to capture in the act a group of young men that were shooting off some fireworks in Cathedral City. And unfortunately for them, that came with a hefty prize. It's a $1,000 citation for the first offense. So as much as they were having fun with that one, looked like a Roman candle or something to that effect, that Roman candle came with a hefty price tag of $1,000. You don't want to take the chance in Cathedral City this 4th of July shooting off illegal fireworks. And illegal fireworks are those that go up in the air, aerial or exploding fireworks. Now, you'll see fireworks for sale in Cathedral City called the Safe and Sane, and there's a lot of nonprofits that are selling them to raise money for their nonprofit organizations. Those are considered safe and sane. They're, the worms, the sparklers, those types of fireworks. They will actually have the seal from the state fire marshal saying that those are safe and sane. Although the officers that are out on illegal fireworks are looking for illegal fireworks, they will also take a higher priority call. As we were waiting to go for reported fireworks at Julie Avenue near Dinah Shore, we were waiting at the left turn lane of Dinah Shore and Date Palm. While we were waiting there, SUV did an illegal U-turn on Date Palm, went over the median, and then went southbound at a high rate of speed. Officer Vela turned on his lights, went after the person that did this illegal and erratic driving. Unfortunately, the erratic driver was going so fast that we never caught up with him. However, in the process of doing so, we unfortunately saw this particular person make an illegal left-hand turn, and Officer Vela pulled that person over to make sure that they weren't driving under the influence and gave them a warning for turning left. The person in the left-hand turn lane that made an illegal red light left turn was stating that because of the lights of the police car and stuff, they were simply trying to get out of the way of the officer, so Officer Vela let them go on. What I hope the residents of Cathedral City do this 4th of July holiday is we have extra officers out patrolling for illegal fireworks is to notify the police department as soon as you see it, hear it going off, give the proximate location of that. They'll put it in the system and we'll have the officers respond. But this 4th of July, don't take the chance. It's not worth it. It's not worth a $1,000 fine. It's not worth putting other people's property at risk. An exploding firework can set palm trees on fire that can then rain down onto rooftops and cause other property to come on fire as well. And as the person that's shooting off the illegal fireworks, you will be held responsible for any personal property that's destroyed or any lives that are lost or injuries that are caused by the illegal fireworks. It's just not worth it. Thank you for listening. The officers will be out on patrol tonight, July 3rd, and on July 4th, looking for people that are shooting illegal fireworks. You don't want to take the chance. It's not worth it.